Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Help me to share because they are disturbing my network. You know, whenever you are talking to them, you're talking about them. There is a way they always like to bring your viewer down. So please kindly help me to share. Is what last time I talked about the pastors, so then deepened for my program. Because many of them, they don't want to hear the truth. So sometimes you might wonder why men of God are also scared when you talk about them. But for me, when you are doing the right thing, I don't think you have to be scared when people are talking about you. You don't need to be scared. When you know that you are a man of God and you are doing the right thing and you are on the right track, really, you don't need to be scared. You don't need to be scared. Now, so it be, my people. We don't need to scared for anything. Sometimes you feel just say your mind say no be so, na this so. People go still know. But sake of say you not say your mind, then a person they talk about you, you can't dey scare, you can't dey say me, then they go deep and put for the person this thing. It's not good. It's not good. Not be good thing. Not be good thing. Wanna help me share. Now how about I won't talk to this evening? You know, I don't where I go more going. Sometimes when people are going out of track, you talk to them and you correct them. Because the way they are doing things, if you say the whole community no good, it meaning that you no good. And that you have to check yourself. You have to check your behavior. You have to check everything about you. You have to check how you live your life. You have to check everything concerning you to really know whether you are the problem. This life, every one of us, we need to check ourselves. We need to know whether we are the problem. But for you now to come say, this one not good, this one not good, this one not good, this one not good. It means say, now you not good. Because the moment you don't say the whole world not good, now you not good. Because if you good, no how where you not go still see one or two people or three persons still come and say, this person good though. But for you now to come say this one not good, not good, not good. Now you not good. My brothers and sisters, the video we are about to do yesterday, that they disturb my video, that they disturb my network. The video we are about to do yesterday, he said now so they want go protest. He called the Ohen. Now so it be. If Ohen wrong, they call him now Ohen. Wetin Ohen me? Now juju server. Now make it a worship shrine. They not tell him make it go the sell land. If Ohen is guilty and is found wanting, he need to face the law also. So long our papa don't support, say, okay, anybody guilty of all this crime, they need to face the law. They need to face the consequence, whatever their action lead them to. But the thing where it can't be there be say, Albert can't go they interview the Ohen that he not support the protest where they want go protest. Those people, they're not good. He begin mention name. This one not good, this one not good, this one not get plenty viewer. But you where you get plenty viewer, you get plenty viewer. You get plenty viewer. You get plenty, you get a big, large platform. But the governor not recognize you come your platform, come sit down one day. Say, he want to talk through your platform to the whole Edo people. But the person where you talk say, even till now, I never see get 40,000 viewers. The governor, they go there, go talk. My brother, you not see and say you lack. You not see and say from them, if na me be you, I go start to think about my life. Say, how it be say me, I get 300 and something thousand followers. Governor Obaseki, they call my platform, come sing, siwo. You know they even come jubilate for my platform. You know they even come shout anything. But now the person wey be say, he no get reach 40,000 viewers you talking today. Now that person platform, Edo State governor come dey go. You no come see and say, you are the problem to your own self. You are the problem to everybody. Nobody where you be say you never follow they make problem. Mona and Michelle, they disturb my network. Eriyan Dwe, Obodinya. You know, if you they do something, and the person where you they do something follow, and that person they see say you are on the right track, there is never a time where be say that person no go reward you. But if you they do something and you they calculate the person where you they do something follow, that person go they run follow you. He go they run from you. You thought say Governor Obaseki today now say he no get in Comrelant he no get 40,000 followers. Okay, so I agree to my brother. He say you say Comrelant he no get 40,000 followers, but yet the governor they go there for a platform they go sit down gegege. Even carry coffee and cola follow body they drink for a platform there. Through that platform, they talk to the whole world. I believe you have up to about 300 or something thousand followers. And governor not recognize your platform. Say, he want use that platform. Take talk to Edo people. He want use your platform. Take sit down, begin they greet Edo people. He want use your platform. Take they appreciate Edo people. Or he want use your platform. They take they send message, go give Edo people. But you no see and say, there is a big error there. If na me be you, hear your book kagmami. Ella, I agree. Good evening. If na me be you, want your boy hear kagmami, I go to think about my life. Upon this platform when I build, it can't big. I can't use governor take campaign. I can't beat everybody for Edo land. The platform come big. And yet, Governor Obaseki no green call my platform. Meanwhile, now who never even get 20,000 followers. Now they go sit down, they go enjoy a platform. You know see and say na big problem for yourself. You know see and say na big disgrace to your own self like that. Say you can pay for somebody finish, you don't work for that person. At the end of the day, the person not going to recognize you. The person not even want on your platform. Despite say, he know say, through that your platform, Baba Newman, it's way. Go Baba Buta. He know say through that your platform, in message go expand. But Governor Obaseki no green go there. Governor Godwin Obaseki no green go your platform. You know see and say you are a problem, you are a disaster to your own self. You know they think about her. Say the only thing you are good for now Albert can't take money, go share for social media, go campaign. But after you don't campaign finish, the governor is not coming to your platform to come and sit down and drink coffee with you or even water with you for your own bigger platform. It shows that platform is of no use. It's of no use if governor where you can pay for no come your platform, meaning no regard that platform. He no regard that your platform, make it big, but he prefer person where get 5,000 followers. In they go sit down there, they talk there. Because he don't assess your character. He don't assess your behavior. He don't see and say no. Your own line, your own way of doing things, he not follow your own way too. Because you were who gra. The way you talk, who is Ohen? Ohen yamwe bonen or wo. I went on webo. Ama when on here no talk. Ohen is not even supposed to interfere in any land issue. He is not even the audio way. If in a place where be said they get a nogi, he is not even the a nogi. He is not even Okagele. They call him Ohen. Ohen is a chief priest. He is a juju worshipper. He and when all weapon or ebony, ama when all anything to do with land. Even the guy they talk say the old man where he come because that old man video. I just see the thing not too right from my ear when I watch the way where the old man they talk. The woman don't fair talk and say she bought the land for the past 16 years from Egbiri. 16 years. The old man they talk say he buy the land for 2010. So who fair get the land then? Meaning automatically now the woman still get the land. Because now who fair buy land, now get land. Somebody bought land 16 years ago. You they say 2010 you buy your own year. 2010 for backyard year. Then about they come out, that protest what they want to do, they don't go pay them, they don't do this one. Those people where want protest, they are nothing, they are this, they are that. This one not good. People where you with all of them work. No one where you never fight with for a land. Comrade Tony Kabaka, ayi Tony we yakpa kukbakon. Osa no hodio, imalo agbogo, dionosagio, Comrade show. I think one woman that day, Loretta, I don't know, yes, Stainless, name it all, different people. Different people. You are out of track, my brother. The truth. Albert, you are out of track. If they say me, they don't count and say people where it be say, you don't get problem with, say for this social media. They are more than 20. They are more than 20. They are more than 20. Even a Pyranomigo brother, where you with and two still do election together too. That one and the brother still fight. At the end of the day, few weeks ago, I too were born in May you go check yourself. Go check yourself. Ask the question whether now you be the real bad person, because the way you are tagging people that this one is not good, this one na omeva, the other one na food they look for, the other one not be this, the other one not be this. But at the end of the day, you will now find out that you are the bigger problem there. You are the problem. If you not talk put for matter, that matter go just go smooth. The moment you can't put your mouth for matter, that matter, who wants a yawa, who riawa, who kulewa, who want, who do say, if they want go protest, make the ohen, now ohen they say make it be. You see, if people want go protest, you say make the ohen go bring another people come, take counter the protester. Don't you see that you are creating chaos in Benin? Don't you see that if those people come meet each other, then they come they fight? God forbid now say they kill one person or two. Albert is in your neck. He's in your neck. He's in your head. You not go feel wrong because you call for violence. Wait till concern juju priest with land selling, with land grabbing. What concerns a juju man, a juju priest? I went on webo. Am I went on yoto? I went on webo no reboni. They not say make it they sell land. These are the oppression where it be say once they don't they serve juju, then go they use that juju where they do till they oppress people. Say if you talk, then go do this one because now they serve her. You want go talk? You say now APC people they go team up with the protester. Say because the Ohen, you see why Albert is protecting the Ohen? Because he said the Ohen campaign for governor. Where? The Ohen mention say, he win that Ohoromi. Say, the Ohen win that Ohoromi for governor. So that is the reason Albert is trying to protect the Ohen. If they carry protest go, anywhere where they carry protest go, is for them to just, is a warning. It is also a signal to the Ohen himself. I don't think these people were just saying, oh, we want to go protest, so we they go the Ohen house, so we want to go meet the Ohen. There is nothing like that. They can protest and go to the community. You cannot stop them not to go to the community and pass a message to others too. Through that community, a lot of community in Edo land will be liberated from all these land grabbers. Through that Ohoromi community now, a lot of community, a lot of people will be liberated. They will be free from all this burden where it be say people they go through. Say if you buy land, before you do come say maybe you not get money, another person don't carry on. Another person don't carry on. Sometimes then they sell one land for 10 people. 10 people. Now from there, they will come, they relocate you. They relocate you. From Merodo, you go there Merod. They don't sell your land. They will come, they relocate you. At the end of the day, now inside bush where it be say maybe now 100,000 or 200,000. Now that they said that now there you will go end up because they don't sell them. And that main road now a lot of people they want say na main road they want buy. Many people they say they want buy for road. Now road they want buy. They don't care whether now person get them or not be person get them. Sometimes we too where we still the diaspora. They still they make that mistake. We go come tell them say, see where we want buy. But meanwhile, they don't already sell that land for poor person for house. But because say you there abroad now, I want on a railway. This one there abroad, so he go get money to fight who they beneath their way in be say he no get money for court. That's why you can see some people for abroad they'll come say, now yeah, buy. Not be there you buy. Somebody don't buy that land for the past 30 years ago. Because the person don't get money to develop that land, then they go come sell am. Then go come sell and give you because they feel say you go feel use your money, your euro, your pounds, and your dollars too. They oppress who get the land where they beneath there, where you not fit developer. Sometimes your parents too go know say that place they don't sell her for another now person get her. So go even they say come do. They don't do me like that. Now waiting at the talk, waiting I see. They don't do me because the day where tomorrow now when I go they bring my own they come out. I just felt they keep quiet because once I start with that community, they know me, no going back. No going back. But I just say may I feel keep quiet, may that they sort the issue out. Now, so you go buy land, you will buy 100 by 100. Before you know it, your 100 by 100 don't turn to 70. Your 100 by 100 where you buy plot of land where it be say, if they paper say, now 100 by 100. Before you know, it don't turn to 70 by 100. Now only for those states, I see say land become problem. Land become problem. Even the Okagele, even the time where they see all these youth, CDA, name them all. Now, so A go sell land for you. Once A tenure don't finish, B go come enter. B go say na in own. They not go no land where they don't sell again. That's why you will see say, some people, they know they feel bearer. They go carry bulldozer, go there, go bulldozer because they know say na their land, na they buy them. But you now when you can't be victim now, you will say, oh, I just buy this land. Money just there with me. Make I just rush the builder. You don't know say na another person land they don't say give you. Now another person property now they say give you. But at the end of the day, the owner, if he be saying a person where he be say get money, he just keep the land there. Say, make this land there. Anytime when he get money, he go come sell am. Or if he need money, or one of his children, they fit still inherit them as their property. The person go go verse, he go bulldozer. Many of them have that problem, that chaos, now they create there for Edo land. And the money where they sell for all this land. A beer parlor. Now beer parlor, then they go sit down. Beer parlor agbele good na tiri he go go different way. The one way that they call hero, he go different way. Now so fish pepper soup go different way. We go to awatana. He go to where they take sell land. Osaka, good evening. The money where they take sell people land. Tomorrow that they come sell that land for another person again. Then they come sell the land for another person again. The money, they know they use until they invest. They know they use until they develop the community. Rather now on top of beer parlor. Tiri, hero. I don't know the one where they call those ones. Star, Gouda, small stout, fish pepper soup, porcupine pepper soup. Now that day, then go declare for Mama Osato beer palo. Tomorrow, then they look for another person land where he never develop and where they want go sell again. Now that time their girlfriend go come no say they want buy human hair. They want buy Bond Street. When Bond Street in here terre. Because say their girlfriend want buy Bond Street, then go sell another person land. Then Abatobaze can they talk and say so people cannot protest in whatever way they like. If they choose to go protest for the ON house, he is to send a warning to him. So that for you also your own fellow ON, may them know say they should stay their lay. They should stay their lay. So long our father not support the atrocity where then they do, they all should stay their lay. Brother Dave, great good evening. The Ohan should stay his lay. When all Belokpak Bele Gwinen Nebono Wobokoromieva. If they choose, the protesters choose to go to his house, so long his name don't come out. If they even choose to go protest for his compound, for his gate, now they are right. It is freedom of speech. To protest is allowed. You know if you tell person make you not go protest. If these people want come protest, go bring another group come, make them come counter them. Then meaning you want make them create chaos. See the video where can they do this afternoon now. The way one go protest, they not come measure the Ohen name again. So because say you know say the Ohen work for governor, these are the problem. These are the problem. You get community where be say they really work for governor. Once problem they come out from that community, a governor you will begin your mouth. How about video yesterday now? He said the Ohen work for governor where. So since Ohen work for governor, Ohen supposed to the shit for plate, shit for cup, shit for anything. He's above the law. Where he Dave say Ohen go the sell land. There is always problem. If community get problem, say maybe for boundary, then either court settle the matter or our father settle the matter. Whichever way they take settle the matter, there must be loss and there must be winning. Now so that Okoromi will be so. So people when you win, it don't see happen for my own. I have yata. I know waiting and they talk. I don't get that experience. We are therefore come win the land. Maybe decide where you win the land back. Here don't have anyhow. Those way follow other community buy the land. They not go even country say now money these people use again. Some go even they destroy the farmland of people. If they want to settle you your land before, don't come say me, can't take a crop money. Not be everything person want talk here. My own I go talk on one day. But for Herbert to now be calling this one out, the other one out, the other one platform no grow. Person platform no grow. Who platform no grow, but the governor they go the platform. You where your platform grow, governor no agree on your platform. Governor no one walk hand in hand with you. He no one even sit down with you talk. If na me be you, Herbert. Ya je ma be ni ata etenene mi ya we ya ye ne mi ya onwe ya for ya onwe. Ya for ya onwe. You get big platform. If you come out for video, you dey get 100,000. But the governor say you no want go your platform. You no want go your platform. Who get 5,000 viewer, 5,000 follower? Governor they go there, go sit down there. Where you are problem, that is why the governor himself is also avoiding you. You are telling the people that want to protest on Monday now that you are giving them your blessing. Who are you to not give them your blessing? Who are you to give them your blessing? So land they not go on hand place. If they go the Ohen place, go protest. And so what? It's for them to, whichever way, they are free to send any message to the Ohen, to the Okagele, that are selling people land anyhow. And they are not using the money for anything. A beer parlor. Yeah, they born straight in a girlfriend. Or funny, you want create problem for Bini, where we were regbere. You there for ore. When you they talk to the Ohen, when you they call the Ohen. But you there Lagos now, but you want try to create problem for Bini. Make the Ohen, make them go make the Ohen to go and organize his own protester down. So you are now trying to say, okay, if the Ohen do batting, he is above the law because he work for governor. I work for governor, oh, why I wanna? Because this is the second time I work for governor case they come out so. Where be say agberi. The meaning is like, if I work for governor, now most of all these things want to work, then I just feel say, now people will not work for governor, now then go be the victim for governor, and then for the law when he pass. For the law when he pass, I work for governor, then go be on the safer side. Who not work for governor, now that one can't be the victim. It's a question that I'm asking. Because you said the Ohen is a politician too. The Ohen was playing politics. The Ohen was working for governor. So if the Ohen break the rules, then he is free. We are even telling him to go and mobilize his own protesters. Why are you like this, Abat? Creating chaos everywhere. Well, no, then where Betty Yeva? Well, no, then where Betty Yeva? Say, may they go donate for the woman. How the woman? My Abat, which day you know here where they say that they kidnap for you? Which day you don't lead protests, go either governor house, or which day you don't lead protests, even go the go there, may you go protest with some group of people. So that may the governor see, and so long you near governor where may governor Obaseki see and say, okay, this place, I need to secure this place. The people inside that bush, they need to get the hell out of there. You not do one. If you see who want protest, you go they cry. You will come, they do like say, you want to kind of give them bad name. Say they don't pay them. Hungry protesters. And so what? If they protest for money, and so what? If they pay them to protest, and so what? So long they are bringing a point out, so long they are sending messages to people that this is what is going on in those lands, and we don't want it anymore. Now then you go see person where they say if they abroad, after many years he don't suffer. He go to say he get property for house. Oh, okay, no, man. Some people they buy land 4 times, they don't go see one. They go buy 4 different plots of land for different places. They not go see one. These now people where be say, then they go inside snow, go they walk 247. All in the name, I want to do something back home. Really, I don't know why our adult youth are so wicked. I call it wickedness. I call it wickedness because the person where they want the money where one can't buy the land from you. The person go house where a politician is not thief the money. Not be politician where be say then they eat the state money. These are kind of your brothers and your sisters hustling for themselves to make ends meet. The next thing una go sell land for them. Once they want to start to develop the land, problem go come. Una go either go relocate them. If una not relocate them, una go that land it don't end there. It don't end there. You can't even surprise who get the land. You will bring your CFO comma. Omafone wama me mu eyo nenya. It's another way to destroy people property. If you can't buy land now, say your papa buy land for the past 30 years, he not get money to do CFO. He not get money to do CFO. Even the CFO, he not cheap like that as the talker. He not get money to do CFO. Then one person now where he say he can't get money, can't come. He can't go buy the land. He can't go do CFO. Who get the land now? These are the things that if we continue to create chaos in Edo land. You go see them or the campaign, who get CFO, now he get land. So if my papa buy land, a plot of land for the past 30 years, sake of say he get different children, make it be say if A get, B go get. So then after una don't sell the land for another person, una will say make it go do CFO put for the land. Who get CFO, now he get land. How he take get land? Where it be say land where my papa buy for the past 30 years. See, all these things, you see the way that they preach. Who gets CFO? He get land. So you where it be say you hold your paper for hand now. You not fit do CFO put for your land. Then Omego can't come. He can't carry the land, buy him, do CFO. You see, there is never a time where be say for Edo land people not go cry. We they talk about Okayele. All these them are bad way they go do CFO here and there now. Una sure say not be people land. Now people sit back from their hand. Where those ones they run, they go do CFO put. In case he enter court, make it become their property. What about who first buy the land where you not get money to do the CFO? Are we talking about those people? What are we now going to say? How are we now going to compensate those people that bought a plot of land and they don't have money to develop the land yet? But you that have money to develop and do CFO, you will come, you will pay for the land, and you will do CFO on the land. Omafone. Is that not another way? Tomorrow now, this CFO also, he go bring another problem come from Edo land. He go bring a problem come from Edo land. Because if you buy land 20 years ago or 10 years ago, you never develop it. You not do CFO. Then this they are shouting now. Who gets CFO? Now I get land. Who gets CFO? Now I get land. It's another way also of CDA. Believe me. It's another way also of CDA. It's another way to risk people's life. It's another way to create problem, pains for people's life. You now you go rush, go do CFO. But meanwhile, now person property you buy so. Now person plot of land, now you buy where you want rush, do CFO put. That is my own way of also looking at this CFO, with the shout now. Okayele, ohel, Okayele, ohel, Okayele, ohel. What about the plot of land now where you don't buy? You don't go do CFO. If the owner now can't bring in your paper come out, how you want to compensate that person? Meanwhile, you don't also create pain, sadness for another person's life. Because you bought somebody else's land where he be say he no get money to develop a land, he no get money to do CFO. No be everybody. Some people they will be say, una hear when the woman they talk her. Kudos to her. At least for the past 16 years she built the house. A lot of people did this abroad way be say for the past 20 years. Now 50 by 100 they still get. They never even mode block put. Then you now wait be say you don't go also you get the money, you can't go buy the land. Run do CFO put. What about the person where be say after how many years for abroad where he buy plot of land, he not fit developer, he not fit do CFO. Why your money ka? Frustration where they see your money egbe. Now frustration you put for that person body too. Now frustration you put for that person life. Before you they do see your folk, first start to they build the land first. They build the land, may you not go they create pain for another person life. We all they say we get problem. That they the see your folk where you they do now. You don't first check the background, say no be tears you they create for another family life too. Because they are just run sell land for you now. They tell you say go do see your folk. Do see your folk. Do see your folk. Who get see your folk? Now you get land. So if my papa not comfy do see your folk for the past 20 years, then meaning that land not being owned. Is that what they are also saying? With the see your folk? Is a question also. Yeah, because that is what they are saying, my brother. That's who gets CFO, now get land. Who gets CFO, now get land. A lot of people, they are rushing to do CFO. They are rushing to do it now. Different, Albert is doing his own. Different people, they are doing their own. And the only thing they know how to say is, who get land, now who gets CFO, now get land. So meaning my own poor, maybe my own poor father, he no fit do CFO for the land where he buy many years ago, or land where he inherit from his own father. Then you can't go sell land with strong eye. You go do CFO poo. The meaning that you get land, meanwhile you don't create pain for my papa. You don't put problem for that family. Then you sure say those family now go come they happy for you, who buy their land, who take their land from them. Justin agrees. Godwin, that is what the people they are saying now. That who gets your phone, I get land. But nobody is ready to get the awareness that you are also with your CFO who get land. You are creating pain, problem into people's life again. A lot of people will also cry out tomorrow that that plot of land you bought and you did your CFO, the land belongs to them. Sometimes we need to just look at things in a different way, in different perspective. Not just about me. The way I went in that here. Who you see your phone matter take collect your land from and where that person really knows say, this one are my inheritance from my papa. Now the only thing when I get from my papa be this. But another person don't go do paper, go sell the plot of land where be say I not say. Then they go do see your phone put. Claim the land. Una sure say that person go happy. Una sure say that person go happy. You not go ever happy. And all these people where they sell land, all these land grabber, they know they ever compensate who they collect the land from. They know they to compensate, you know they their agenda at all. You know they their agenda. If they want even compensate you, then go tell you say they get one for inside bush. May you come buy from their hand. May you come buy for their hand. Land matter for Edo State. Family to family, they don't even know. They don't know themselves again because of land matter. If you even say you want even go back for your own community, your own village, now all those ones can't even worse pass. Now they can't even worse pass. The way where other community go they treat you, your own community, then go treat you different. Oh, I mean, you go buy land, finish, then go carry the land, go sell for another person. They'll constantly tell you, say, we'll carry you go inside bush, can't go bring money. Now another money, another money, land where you don't buy for your own community. They go see seller. Can't tell you, say, bring another money, come. They're not the user, no family. They're not the user, no in-law. They're not the user, no anybody. Now, so land matter can't be for Edo State. For me, all this who get CFO, now you get land. If you buy land, first start foundation first. They dig am. Whether person go come out. Before you begin go, they do CFO. First, they dig the ground first. They dig and make you the mud block to see whether somebody go come out say, now my land you they do so. Make una not go they create problem for people. Go they create pain for people, family, for people. Truth. Because these things they are doing, Prince Lucky Baba Itwe, these things that they are doing is another way to create pain. Who gets your phone? I get land. Who gets your phone? I get land. This is another way agency of Okagele too. Where they cry for. Okagele is selling the Okagele. They never talk about the CFO. Whether they use they sell people land. Una go see say it take a longer time before that woman can't even know say the fence are compound. Because before the fence that woman compound now, before the fence where that woman they build house put, you will see say it's possible the woman not even go there for a long period. Now when she can't go there, now she begin cry come out. When maybe she don't make an inquiry to find out say who fenced this place. She can't see say na power where he overpass her. The best thing for her, now social media. Now social media, that is the only place she can be able to sell out and send a message out. Because before they mode 1 block, mode 2 block, come begin the fence the whole compound around. It's possible the woman not go there for a very long time. David partner agreed. Brother, good evening. It's possible the woman not go there for a very long time. So now when she can't go there, it can't be saying a big problem for her. Huh? It's not good. It's not a good thing. It's not a good thing because this CFO, it go see create another chaos tomorrow. It go create another chaos tomorrow. A lot of family will also be in the same pain that we all are crying for today. A lot of family will be in the same pain tomorrow too. I beg you all to relieve people pain. To solve people, to save other family too from pain. Before you they buy land, they do CFO quick, urgent. First, go they clear grass, they mud block. If anybody not come out, can say, na me get the land. Okay, fine. Go do your CFO. No go they buy land, then instantly go they begin they do CFO. Because it's another way to give people problem tomorrow. Because CFO now, people will come out to cry tomorrow. CFO don't collect their land. CFO don't collect their inheritance. Without no compensation. Because now another person land they say give you. Now another person land you wrong go do CFO put. Now another person land you do CFO put take collect time from the person. Because truly maybe if you don't go court, it don't finish. Who got CFO now get land? Now they take the campaign now. It's those ones too who can see your phone. I get land. Those ones too not be also the same strategy as the Okagele where everybody they cry put so. But Kingsley agreed. Good evening. It's in all different kind of perspective. Make we they look these things here. Look on left, look on right. Land grabbers, land grabbers, land grabber. Land grabber don't say another person land for you now. You run go do CFO put. Are you also with the land grabber not the same criminal? Are you two also not a land grabber? You don't grab person land finish. You run go do CFO put. Who can see your phone? I get land because they don't they use and they sing for social media. If really we want to solve all this problem, if you want to do your CFO, first go develop the land. First go dey mold block. They fence around, they do foundation. If anybody not come and say, na me get the land, okay, go do wetin you want do. No wrong, go they do CFO, they do waiting. You do CFO, put for there. Tomorrow come, maybe the owner now one can go developer. You will come out with your CFO. You go come out with your CFO. Maybe the owner not get money for CFO. One get time. They are calling Okagele, calling Ohen, CFO. Niya ya golele yanabo. O tere awe CFO yina. If you don't buy a plot of land, maybe for 1 year, 2 years, you go do CFO. It's no problem. Me, I do so. Not be say you just a run, they buy land, now you they go do CFO. Now another person land you buy too. We should all say the truth here. Now another man land, now you still buy too. They run, they do CFO. Oh, you know more kage lo mu when no when any CFO. Ke no one weke ya. Because many people there where me I don't see. Then go just buy the land, do the paperwork. Instantly then go start to do CFO. In area block here land in you. They no go more than one block put for the land. Not to even talk say they won't even begin the fence around or even do foundation. But they don't buy the land. The next thing they go do CFO. Because maybe they don't already aware, they are aware say tomorrow this land will bring problem. But because I get the CFO, who when you go to the yamiomato? Who yes you question CFO be yamiomato? Go CFO. Who got CFO na Ireland? Who got CFO na Ireland? The people where they do see the CFO now, maybe by the time where the owner of the land go conquer. You are a CFO in go where waffle. You are on your own with your CFO. A lot of people they will be say they buy land, they don't do CFO put. They get land for a very long time, they don't do CFO put. They feel say if they not fit builder, maybe their children will come builder. It's possible say maybe the man will even buy the land, the man die. The pikin never grow. Okay, before the pikin can't grow now, maybe one Ugboju or one Okayele or one Ohen, they can't go sell the land, can't give you. You can't buy the land, you can't run, go do CFO. But me, we forget to say, now dead man lands, now you go back. A lot of people have different pain from this land. So if they're not fit fight you, then they go commit suicide. Because they don't look left, look right, say, this is not the only thing where they don't gain for their life. But the property, you don't collect them from them. Without no compensation. Or which widow now where they train small children. One can follow you fight for land where be say she know say na husband land. But because they see your phone no day. Many of them they know say na person land they want say they no care. They no care. Now when the problem will come, they'll come they say hey, we don't know. They know. The land where you fell back, maybe that land, they road. They'll come tell you, say, okay, come here, we can't go give you for inside. The one where they want go give you for inside, not be for free. You go see, go pay. You go pay. The only thing that go lesser the price for you. But you must still pay. Area that minya wala remote toredo. This issue not be one place. Both the Ohen, both Okayele way be said that they do criminal things. They sell 20 people, one land for 20 people. And both the ones where they go do the CFO. If una don't buy people land finish, una go there quick, they go do CFO. Make una the pass una CFO first. Go start to develop the place to see if the real owner not go come out. If the real owner not come and go do CFO put. A lot of people don't build house for the past 5-10 years before they come they do CFO put. It's not compulsory that if you they buy land, nah, you must do CFO put for the land. It's not compulsory. Go develop and start them. If another person no come, then you go no say na free land now you buy. But immediately you they pull sand, people don't they shout. Then you go no say ya tere ya rien. Now, those states we are for grow. A lot of our father, they get plenty children. As they get plenty children, who see get money, he go see buy plenty land full everywhere. As inheritance for each children. Now, so it they be. Don't go buy people land, then you come they say, yeah, who gets your phone, I get land. All those things also now, the same crime with the Okayele strategy, all of them is all bound together. Why you question your phone, Yami Mato? If you don't buy land, the land dead there for the past 5 years. You can't go pull sand. You can't a mud block. Nobody can't disturb you. Now free land you buy. Now genuine land be that. But sake of say, you can't go they build house for land. You can't go they do this one. The person can't come. You go not say that land in a hair or two. Join hands together, begin whole loose seller for you. Plus who you they take the land from. Join hands together, plus the person with the owner, the first owner of the land. Make una draw who sell the land. Because not be who sell for A, now go sell for B. It's possible the first owner bought the land from the real genuine owner. Then having because all of them want to go and drink pepper soup in the beer parlor. Pepper soup, tiri hero. Yeneni go to yango. Miovero. Iya kebakba, iya wenu mimotonia. Ni bubu wenyango wow, but they get an expensive car. Many of them, when they sell this land, they get an expensive car, but they don't get their own personal house. Many of them are rented in day. Many of them are their papa and their mama house they still day. But they get an expensive car. Then fee go they use 100,000 to declare for pepper soup joint. But you know the pork nose for where waiting on concern you. You they do like say anything happen for Edo State without you not talk put or without you not get anyone where you they support inside, that thing it never complete. It never complete. The thing where governor where you take shots, come and look the secretariat Obaseki is doing, come and look this he is doing. For how long now after you don't win now you don't show Edo people the work way they do. This is Iriri. This is Yekogba. He is tying the road. It don't tell now where we the year we can see for your mouth. We not hear him again. Where can see governor? We not can hear him for your mouth again. For a very long time now, we not hear we can see governor for your mouth. Why is this so? Why are you not showing the new road that is tying again? Why are you not showing the things that is doing again? What is really going on? Oh, why any trick do? This is Yekogba. This is Iriri. This is Secretariat. Where can see governor? Where can see governor? Where can see governor? They're not hearing for your mouth again. Now come and do your CFO. Come and do your CFO. Eric Duke property. Come and do your CFO. Now that one will come the year. You can't turn to bush inspector. Politics, you not be am again. Oh, you feel say all of them don't chance you come out. So you must still talk. Not be everything you poke nose put. Not be everything you go poke mouth put. He even said the Ohen say he campaign for governor, he win Okoromi for governor. It's no problem if he commit crime. The governor also don't need to favor him. He should deal with it for his own crime. Now he put law, so he not supposed to break the law to say to favor one side and not to favor one side. So you can't be say now the opposition he do the law for. Why be say few months ago the video where one woman see cry come out now Ohen see measure. Now Ohen that they measure Ohen here. He don't take away this Okoromi name the rate for social media. He don't take for a very long time. So it can't be said they not get audience way there. Or they not get Iviavo. Now only the Ohen, now he can't get safe for that village. Wow. You think they somehow. That woman made them allow her build her land. Who fenced the land? He do well. The only thing you feel say make the woman can't compensate you. Make it can't compensate you for the fence where you fence. Finish. How person go they build house for the past 16 years. You never finish her. The next thing una collect her. Why the woman not use another person name take shot for the community? Why she not use another person name take shot for the community? Now only the Ohen I just did the community. Any other person not there. Osankedu one not there. Peter Reva a poor community ni. Odion we community ni. Why only the Ohen? If they choose, the protesters choose to go to Okoromi to go and protest, it's their right to go and protest there. It's none of your business about that. It's none of your business. Every year we have pork nose iji. Every year. I don't know be Lagos now. I don't know be Lagos. Lagos now. Lagos has now become your home. The way you take trick, I don't know be Lagos. I don't know be Lagos. Now Lagos now you can't go. You don't live there for Isa Poto. Yage GROE. Yage kenawa GROE. Yage even origie. Yage those people now they cry say even when governor never can't do the place, he better pass when they can't do one now. I don't know be Lagos. But now Lagos now it can't be your home now. Now you they go popori, they flex yourself now. You don't live there for Isa Poto. You don't live there without Osiomo power plan. Osiomo. You don't live there now. You don't live there. I don't know be Lagos. I do people make una they wise up. Sometimes all that glitters are not good. When people want to deceive you, they will come up with a big name. They will come up with fancy things. Go see a few days ago. Sanwo-Olu bought 120 trucks. 120 for just waste products where they carry dustbin and everything. How about they complain yesterday say though they smell dirty full everywhere. Inaugural show the video. Now all those things ain't supposed to go they do now say Your Excellency, we campaign for you, but this place is so dirty. There is dustbin here, there is dirty here, here is smelling. They're not the agree show but she can't even let her talk. She let her talk. When be say Governor Sanwo-Olu bought instantly brand new 120. Where the hotel they carry dirty for the old Lagos. Where the hotel they park dirty for the old Lagos. Edo own my I think they 5. Come on 5 from the truck. I'm not sure say Edo go fit buy. Come on 5. Not be governor do that one. Buy 120 trucks. Where the hotel they carry dustbin dirty. Because the man wants Lagos to be clean. I don't know be Lagos. Now then he can't go the sell land. I don't know who can give him a call where they give him office there. Make he can go the sell land there now. Meanwhile, he don't deceive other people. I don't know be Lagos. He leave them for inside Poto. Now Lagos now can't be home. When they do the slogan, I don't know be Lagos, I don't know be Lagos. We are thinking maybe Herbert will never step his leg in Lagos. We are thinking Herbert will never go to Lagos. Because the way Edo State is going to be so beautiful. Where you win. A Lagos in Yerina Fia Konunu Ame. I don't know be Lagos. Our market. I don't know be Lagos. Meanwhile, a governor, a business, a property, or one area, they are in Lagos. But now, the second in command, they don't know be Lagos. He is in Lagos now. How market Edo people? Yarian Irejiaro, I think Adesu, so I don't know. They are crying that day. I don't even know. They said 2017 that place was even better than the one they come and start. They are digging out, they are doing out, they create another chaos. The man saying nothing enter in house. He go sleep hotel for 2 days. And meanwhile, they say governor don't work for that road. They say governor don't work for the road. So make una tell me, my people. That's so I see and rich. Now do well. I go rest some here. How about stay your lane? Don't be a noisemaker. Don't be a noisemaker. Don't be the kind of person that you feel that I know it all. I know it all. But you don't know it. If you know a governor not go pass you, they go meet comrade show. If you too know this, I too know. Now you use. You have a bigger platform in South, no problem. But the governor is not coming to use your platform. You don't use your platform during election. You don't use them after election. I pity for you. I feel your pain there. But no, they prognose your mouth for waiting not concern you. It's like you are coming out to defend your hand because na your political friend, he supports governor. A lot of people are crying for the atrocity being committed in that Okoromi. Let those that create the crime, let them face their what they created. Whatever you sow, you reap. Let them reap whatever they have sown. Don't defend what you cannot prove. Yeah, protest. I want me by. Oh, when you want me by, at least their protest will send a message to everybody in Edo land. Yasek babiya ni hienotere kodjon we keya kokagele keya ni hienotere ni munotoya hienia. That protest is going to send a big signal to all of them that they are being monitored now. They will be careful. They will be careful now in their dealings. Do well, my people. Good night. Thank you all so much. Good night and happy weekend. A lovely night rest. Thank you all.